Hello, my name is Stacy Madrid. Today's date is May 11, 2019, and today I will be recording on the how-to video on how to label a picture. So let's go ahead and go into the screen. This is my lab assignment, and with my computer, I am unable to right-click the picture and save it. So what I usually do is I zoom in, or you can actually, I usually zoom in into the picture, and I screenshot, which is Shift Command 3. I go into the screenshot and I crop my picture out. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. And then I click this right here and lets me crop it. So it saves my picture. I can just click exit off and it will save it. And then let me put this back to original. I'm just zooming it back out. So onto here, I already have my Google Docs open, and pretty much I go to new and do a new drawing. It'll open up a new page for me to insert an image. I click insert, upload from computer, and then on my desktop the screenshot is saved. So on this labeling, I will be labeling the pituitary gland. I will do the anterior, posterior, and also identify the acidophil cell, basophil cell, and the pituitary, or the nucleus of the pituitary. So just to be a little extra, I'm gonna go ahead and label the anterior and posterior. So you go to insert, text box. Oops, I just moved the picture. Bad. You go to text box. And I usually make the background white so you can tell in the picture what it is. Right now I'm just gonna label the two areas so we can differentiate between them. So that's the posterior pituitary. And then I'm gonna insert another text box at the bottom to label the anterior. Okay, let's see. Perfect. So as we know, the anterior pituitary has both the acidophil cells and the basophil cells. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle, and I'm gonna put the acidophil cells, or cell, sorry. And I go ahead and click this one, and I make it an arrow. So I know the acidophil on here is kind of like a red base cell, and I'm gonna just click. Let's see. This one right here. You can see around the cell it has little red tones. We're gonna put the acidophil, and I'm gonna insert the next one, which is the basophil. Same thing. I put the drop back white so it can show, you actually see it. So, and then I'm clicking the arrow again. So this is usually the blue one right there. So you can actually tell the difference between both the cells. Sorry about that. I'm gonna just put it a little closer to the actual cell in there. There you go. And then the last one I have to document or label is the nucleus of the pituitary, and that is in the posterior portion of the cell. Nucleus. Sorry, I'm spelling it wrong. Pituitary. Same thing. The background is gonna be a white. And I use my arrow again. So this is usually the nucleus on top of or in the posterior section. It's usually the dark blue regions right there. So after that, I'm pretty much gonna file and download as JPEG so I can insert it into my document, okay? So download, go ahead and clicks up, so I'm good on the areas. I'm sorry, I actually left an arrow in the middle. Right here, let me delete that real quick and resave it. So file and then download as JPEG. Okay, so we have the anterior, posterior, have the nucleus of pituitary, the acidophil cell, and the basophil cell. Click off of that. Let's go back to my lab assignment. I have to delete this one so it's not on there. I put spaces so my picture can be a little bit bigger. And then I click my finder, and it shows my picture in there. I'll go ahead and drag it into my lab assignment, and it goes into my assignment. Thank you.